Welcome to my second ever unboxing, and this unboxing will be of a Panasonic GH6 that I got this morning. Here we go. Do you like me knife? I'm not very good with saying stuff, so let's just crack on. This is from Wilkinson's in Preston, so let's see how good their packaging is. A lot of foam, so as you can see, it is packaged very, very well. Very, very, very well. And I'll just spin this round so you can see the little fella. There you go, there's the first glimpse of my camera, the Panasonic GH6. And I'm going to take the box out of its packaging. There we go. And then throw that away. And then get all the foam out of the way. Now that I've made a lovely mess. And on with the main show. The box looks absolutely fantastic. There's the top, the sides, on with the show. Here we go. Opening up for the first time ever, taking the lid up. Inside the box we are flagged with some papers, some documentation, all the usual stuff that no doubt will never get read by me. But we have the Panasonic book, quite a big book really. There's loads of information there, that'll go straight in the bin. We have a limited worldwide warranty, and let's see what this is. And a nice little leaflet to buy stuff. There we go. Just put that to one side. As we open up the box, there you go. We'll grease it with something else. Oh, surprise! What have we got here? Cables. Lots and lots of cables. I don't know what they're for. That'll be a USB to USB-C. Small containers packaging. Basically, lots of plug attachments. Lots and lots of plug attachments. That must be for America. So that's a battery charger. And there's the battery. Panasonic Lumix, let's see what it says. Panasonic Lumix DMW BLK22. That's Delta Mike Whiskey, Bravo Lima Kilo 22. That's the power battery. Okay. And we also have the Panasonic GH6 strap. That won't be used. Never used it for the GH5 either. Nothing else in the box. So, on with the show. This is my new toy. Ta-da! Panasonic GH6. Wow, it's quite light actually. For watching all the reviews, I was expecting this to be quite heavy, but it's quite light. Let's open the back. Ooh! Oh, and it does tip as well. Wow, that's amazing. That is my Panasonic GH6 unboxing. Let's have a look inside. There we go. Put that back because the house is very dusty. But welcome to my unboxing. Thank you very much.